Hey guys, it's Beth from Avery Home Decor. We are installing our Phillip Hue lights for underneath the cabinetry today, so stay tuned. We're going to show you how we do the installation process for it. Alright, so we're reading our Philips Hue light instructions, and I have to say you do need someone who's a little technical. We've done this before and it's still like doing it for the first time. As you can see, the instructions are like in A and B. There's no real names for the parts. So if you look over here, we have our connector, we have our Hue light strips itself, and it comes with an adapter that you're going to have to run to an electrical source.
Alright, my husband's helping me out. This is one of the things you do have to do, is drill the holes so that you can run your cords through the inside of the cabinet so you don't see the cords. So I'm showing you the outside of where we're drilling, but I'm also going to take you over inside so you can see where we're drilling here as well. And you can kind of see how we need to run that line through the sides of the cabinet. And we're actually going to run it through until we get to our light source. So we had to measure this out to make sure we had enough length, which you can see over here in the next cabinet. That's where our power source is. So you do have to make sure you have the exact measurements, kind of know where you want to run your wires before you start. And so we only had to drill about 2 holes in each cabinet. And here's where we're connecting everything right here in the corner. All you have to do is take the self-adhesive stickers off and you can't see any of it. So here we're doing a test light to make sure everything lights up, and we're going to go ahead and put it in its permanent place and give you a little preview of what it looks like when it's finished. So this is just a quick preview of the different types of light you can use, the different colors, that is, when you're using the Phillip Hue lights. And the good thing about it is now we have a variation. We can actually use the ones on top with the ones underneath the cabinets in different colors. So that's pretty cool. Let me show you what that looks like. So in case you were curious, there is a difference when you're installing the lights on top versus underneath the cabinet. For installation on top, we only had to drill 1 hole in the cabinet, and that was just to reach the light source or the power source. So that was way easier than what we did when we did the installation on the bottom.
Hey guys, it's Beth from Avery Home Decor. Is that how I'm supposed to sound?
Yeah.
Hey guys, it's Beth from Avery Home to the. I ain't used to the new name.